Well, this is a bit of a tragic news coming in. Former SP leader and Rajya Sabha MP Amar Singh is no more. He's passed away at the age of 64. This is breaking news coming in right now. An unfortunate piece of news. One of the big faces in political circles of Uttar Pradesh, Amar Singh, closely associated with the Samajwadi Party and the Yadav family for the longest time, but of course fell out with them. Now, news coming in that he has passed away in Singapore, the Rajya Sabha MP as of now, but former Samajwadi Party leader. He was 64 years of age, and what we know right now is the confirmation coming in. He was in Singapore, and which is where he has now passed away. So Amar Singh, quite active in the political circles, closely associated even with the Bollywood and entertainment industry, with the Bachchan family, was very close to the Bachchan family at one point of time. A man who was known to be the conduit for tough negotiations, for back channel talks, big face in the Samajwadi Party for the longest time. Now, no more. This is, unfortunate news coming in. Of course, reactions have begun to come in already. BJP leaders also tweeting, offering their condolences at the sad demise of Rajya Sabha MP Amar Singh. Of course, tributes will now begin to pour in as this sad piece of news comes in this Saturday afternoon. We're just trying to get you more information on how his health was in the last few days, but he passed away at the age of 64. Earlier, he had himself actually tweeted a tribute to freedom fighter and educationist Bal Gangadhar Tilak on his death anniversary. He even wished his followers for Eid today on the occasion of Eid, but this is just news that's come in right now. Amar Singh had been keeping ill for a very long time and was undergoing treatment in a Singapore hospital for a few months, we've been told. In fact, the recent reports also suggested that his health had deteriorated and that he was in the ICU. Of course, he's had health problems over the last few years. In 2013 itself, he suffered from a kidney failure at that point of time, but the last few months had been really tough on him. What I can see, even on his Twitter profile right now, is that even till his last day, Amar Singh was still active, at least on Twitter, and remembering Bal Gangadhar Tilak, also wishing his followers on the occasion of Eid. 64 years of age, is a politician who was with the Samajwadi Party for the longest time, and then quit that party, but he continued to be a Rajya Sabha member of Parliament. His last tweet was actually 2 hours ago, and this is the news which is now coming in of him being no more. Of course, reactions now beginning to pour in as people find out about this. Amar Singh, in fact, even posted a video on March 22nd, when he was in hospital already. So he's been in hospital since that long, since March, and he had been having several health issues. He had at that point of time made an appeal to all his followers to support Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the fight against coronavirus. And that was the video he had put out there. He hadn't been so very visible and that active in the last couple of years, especially since he left Samajwadi Party and kind of floated his own outfit. But at one point of time, when Amar Singh was in Samajwadi Party, he was considered as a close confidant of Mulayam Singh. Prashant's actually joining me right now. Prashant, we know he was in Singapore, but he was tweeting till like a couple of hours ago. Really sad news coming in about Amar Singh.
That was a team tweeting in. Tanvi, you see, he was not keeping well for over a year now. He was initially being treated in a posh hospital in Delhi NCR, where some of us had gone to see him. He was very, very weak and fragile, but he was very cheerful even at that moment. Now, the news that we are getting in today is of his demise. It's been some hours that he passed away. And what we can tell you is that Amar Singh has always been a politician, Tanvi. who was unique in himself. You see, he never represented any family. He was not someone who was very well connected as far as the big leaders are concerned initially, but he ultimately turned out to be the biggest power center in the national capital. You talk about any government, Amar Singh was a friend of every political party, every top leader. Now, as you said, he was not visible for quite some time. Last, he was immensely visible and immensely active in politics. Was in 2016 December when the Yadav Parivar was breaking out, and he was accused by Akhilesh Yadav of, in a way, breaking the party by taking into confidence Mulayam Singh Yadav and trying to sabotage the Samajwadi Party, following which there were rough differences that came out, and following which he had left the Samajwadi Party, which he had joined just a few months, before this all started. He was once again sent to the Rajya Sabha. Now, ever since then, he started keeping a bit low. He was his presence in the media, his presence in even in meetings, while meeting people, was very, very low. In fact, when we tried to meet, he would always send us a message that perhaps might be not today, but we might meet some other day. So this was a sort of response that he was giving just because of the fact that he was very, very weak. His body gave in, and now for the past 6 months he was in Singapore while being treated, and now we are getting his sad news of his demise earlier this afternoon.
Yes, absolutely, and it all figure, like you said, a power center in the political circles. It all figure in UP politics, and a man who also had very close connections even with the entertainment world. Amar Singh was visible, at a lot of Bollywood events and interacted with many of the big names even there. So politics aside, he did have a significant interest in the film industry. Prashant.
If you talk about Amar Singh was not just a politician. Amar Singh was someone who had his own identity, who had his own mark, and for that he has had good relationships with all the parties. And to talk about the BJP, he would always have a good relationship with the BJP. He was, in fact, considered the right hand of Mulayam Singh Yadav in his early days when the Samajwadi Party was being formed. Amar Singh would always be on the right side of it with Shivpal Yadav. So clearly, Amar Singh also has a very good connection. He had a very good connection in Bollywood. We'll see several top leaders in attendance in whatever party he used to throw, either in Delhi or, for that matter, in Mumbai. Amar Singh was someone who was friend to all, a foe to none. And as I told you, at around November, December 2016 was when the differences started coming out in Samajwadi Party, with obviously the power center being shifted towards Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav, in a way, planning a coup against Mulayam Singh Yadav, and it all followed a very nasty and public spat with Amar Singh, wherein Akhilesh also in a way accused him of planting stories against him to topple his government down to become the ultimate power center in the Samajwadi Party, with Mulayam Singh Yadav just as a rubber stamp president. So clearly, Amar Singh was friends to all, and as I said, he is someone who made his identity alone, and that's the thing that was always be remembered about him. And if you talk about senior most leaders, they'll come out and tell you the stories of how cheerful a leader Amar Singh was, how connected a person Amar Singh was, and how easily he could sort out differences between two parties. And that's the reason perhaps he was an emissary to a lot of big leaders in the UP as well as the NDA regime. So clearly, Amar Singh's loss is a loss to Indian polity, and that's something that